throw that. Gentle.
It's very, very puzzle. The pig is very, very puzzle.
Where does it go?
In the window.
On the window?
No, on the window.
It goes on the windowsill thing. A, B, C, D, E, F,
G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P,
Q, R,
S, T, U, V.
W, X, Y, and Z. Now there she goes.
Hi, Mommy. Hi, Mommy.
What are you doing?
I'm on Daddy's right.
Ow! Be nice to me.
I'm gonna jump on you.
Don't jump on me, that'll hurt. Thank you, baby. Yay!
I'll be all nice.
You're gonna be all nice.
You'll be all that fish?
What'd she say?
She said, do you like pears?
Pears?
Do you like pears? You're crazy.
Ellie, stop. Baby, that hurts. Don't do that.
Ah, jeez, I gotta go.